In this video, I will show you how to add a clickable link to an image in Canva. If this video helps you out today, then please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are, as you can see on Canva. So what I've done, I've just created this example Canva document, and you can see we've got an image here and there's some text underneath saying click the image to be taken to my channel. Now, in order to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is grab the link of the website that you want to get people directed to when they click the image on your Canva document. What I'm going to do is direct this to my channel. So I'm going to come across to youtube.com, and what I'm going to do is just click and go across to my channel. And then from here, I'm going to come up to the top, click onto the address bar, right click, and then click onto copy. So now we've got our link ready to go. Of course, you just want to do this for whatever website you want to be clickable on your Canva image. Coming back to Canva, what we're now going to do is click onto the image itself to select it, right click to bring up this menu, and on this menu you're going to see an option for link. So give that a click, and what that's going to do is open up a window like this. From here, what we can do is right click and then select paste from the menu that comes up to paste our link into here. Once we've entered our link, come and click done at the bottom, and then what we can do is click done again. So you can see now when I actually click onto the image, the link has now been added, and this is now good to go. So the final thing you need to do now is just download and save this document. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the share button up here, and you're going to see the download button on this menu. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a next window like this. At this point, I just want to note that the file type does need to be in a PDF document. It does not work on PNG or JPEG, so just select PDF standard, and once you've done that, you can click download. As you can see, the design is now being downloaded. It's just going to take a minute or two to do. And once that's done, what I'm going to do is click to open our document. So you'll now see that we've got our document. And if I now go ahead and actually click onto the image here, it's going to automatically direct to the link that we've added, which in my case was my YouTube channel. So that is how to add a clickable link to an image in Canva. If this video helped you out today, then please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.